Hello everyone! This is Abo. Today I'm sharing my simple and delicious dried anchovy stock with you. This stock recipe can be used for all Korean foods such as soups, stews, and sauces, you name it. First, remove guts from dried anchovies. Use head and body parts. And clean dried kelp with wet paper towel. Pan-fry dried anchovies on a clean pan about 3 minutes. By pan-frying anchovies, you can draw much more flavor out. Add water, dried kelp, and onion skins and cook over medium-high heat. Once start to boil, turn down the heat to low and simmer for another 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and strain stock. Store in a glass jar and let's enjoy cooking with it.